Today on My Hungover Kitchen, scrambled eggs. Okay. I thought you couldn't eat eggs.
Okay. Eggs have nothing to do with being vegetarian. Being vegetarian was invented in 1992 by Barbra Streisand.
Why is this so zoomed in? My video always does this. I can't zoom out.
Now you just have to crack the eggs.
1 egg, 2
4
eggs.
eggs. There's
Why? You're doing
4 eggs.
4 eggs? That's a lot. That's a lot.
Because we're really hungover today.
Don't mix Four Loko.
And yeah, you don't mix Four Loko. Do you want mango juice?
Yeah.
Mango juice was invented by Yao Ming in 2011. And then you're gonna mix the eggs. Mixing
That looks disgusting.
was invented by Milo 10 years ago, before he was born. And then
Stop saying "and then." That's not flowing at all. That's not gonna
you're
get
gonna
any.
get oil.
What is that?
Wait, I need butter.
Wait.
Butter was invented by Nazis in 1933. And then you're just going to butter the bottom of the pan so it doesn't stick.
Or you just spray Pam like a normal person, but I guess you don't have that.
Fuck Pam. Pam. Fuck Pam. just fuck it.
Just no.
And then
Stop it. Wait, no! Whoa! No! I totally missed the whole thing. No!
Do you want me to redo it?
No! It's a hot pan. Look at those eggs.
And then you have to mix it up. It has to cook first before you mix it. This is Tara's Drunk Kitchen, okay? Get out of here. Get out of town. Hey, look.
Gang!
Mix it while it's cooking. Mixing while it was cooking was invented in Jurassic Park in 2053. I need food in my stomach so I don't
Throw up more.
throw up more. And then you just scramble it up. Scramble it up. Scramble it up.
Yeah, okay, say something to wrap this up. You look so scared.
And these are scrambled eggs from Tara's Drunk Kitchen.